Hello traders, this is Rich Derrick from tradesight. This is the look at the end of day market scans for the ETF universe. This is going to be for this coming session, Tuesday, April 2nd, 2013. The current session was one that was marked by mostly distribution here. As you can see, we're mostly below the opens on all of our major ETFs. We had some couple of volume bumps here in the diamonds and the IWMs that traffic and cover the small caps, but we didn't really have any signals either way on this. Looking at the domestic sectors, we definitely did have a couple of signals here, and they were all concentrated pretty much on the sell side. We had a CPS sell signal in the KRE, also the OIH and the XHB, so definitely be ready for those to continue tomorrow. A couple of volume bumps here worth noting. The PPH traded much above typical volume, 250% of the normal volume. And we also saw volume bumps in the XLY and the XLI ETFs. Moving on to the commodities, a couple of volume bumps here as well. XME traded a lot of volume, and that was strong, 1.5% above the VWAP. With a strong finish on the day, though it was still closing below the open. We had a CPS downside signal in the GDX and also the LQD. Make sure you note the volume bumps in the LQD and the AGG. Those are pretty notable, and that's a lot of volume surge, especially in the LQD for tomorrow. As far as the foreign stuff goes, mostly to the sell side here, we have a CPS sell signal in the FXI and also the EWT. We did have a volume bump here today in the EFA, so that's definitely going to be on the list for tomorrow. As far as the specials go, volume bump here in the UWM, in the CPS downside signal in the TNA. The TNA closed very weakly, 3.5% below the opening, so that is going to be on the list for tomorrow as well. TWM, big volume bump and a pop above the open, so that's going to be on my list. And the FXP had an upside CPS sell signal, so those are all things I'm going to be tracking for tomorrow. Alright folks, that's going to be for this evening, and as always, thank you for listening, and this has been Rich Derrick for tradesight.